morning students, welcome back. Yesterday we had done very interesting poem. Do you remember? Yes. What was the name of our poem? The name of our poem was a string song. And then yesterday we did that song of 7 to 8 students, correct or not? First child says, what? I went to the market, do you know what I bought? I bought a bunch of flowers, or I got some red shiny apples, that is what I got. Second child adds in same thing, or he adds something to the sentences of first child, and he says, I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, that is what I got. The third child adds some more in the sentences of first and second child. What third child says, I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Some red shiny apples, a big loaf of bread, a pack of colored pencils, that is what I got. In this way, we have studied about 3 students, and it was told that when you make group of 8 to 10 students, you can make a song, you can make a string song of 8 to 9 things. Okay. Now, which things are given in the book, that we will not take now. Yesterday we studied a string of white flowers, a bunch of big bananas, a big jar of honey, then a pair of blue bangles, some juicy ripe mangoes, then pack of liquid soap, a sack of ground floor. Instead of that, we were going to make another song. So another string song which we are going to make is, now I'll start with, okay. I went to the market, or the first child, now it is told over the first child says, the first child says, I went to the market, do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? Question is asked over here. Then he says, do you know what I bought? Then answer is given. Well, now here in the string book it is given some red shiny apples. Instead of that, we are going to add our own sentence. Then we will write down a string of bits. Yesterday I told you, a string of bits. A string of bits, and then he will add, that is what I got. That is what I got. So this is of first child, that is what I got. Right? Now next child will say, this here you have to exclamatory mark, okay? A string of bits, that is what I got. Now second child, now the second child adds something. The second child adds something. Now what is that something which second child has added to this? Now he has added here a string of bits. The second child is going to add his own sentence. Then again he is going to write down same thing. I went to the market. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? A string of beads. A string of beads. Come on, add now his own sentence. The second child sentence we have to add. Now, string of beads. A bunch of flowers. A bunch of flowers. That is what I got. This is of second child. Now third child. Again, you have to write down same sentences. Just imagine in first sentence, first child, 1, 2, 3, 4 lines are there. 4. Now in second child, how many lines will become? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now third child, it will become 6 lines. How many lines? 6 lines. Now the third child adds something. The third child adds something. Now what third child is going to add? Now third child now again he is going to start writing from there. Okay. I went to the market. I went to the market. Do you know what I bought? Do you know what I bought? Now he has to write down first sentence, a string of beads, a bunch of flowers, and he has to add his own one sentence. So now what he will do? He is going to write down a string of beads, a string of beads, a bunch of flowers, and one more he is going to add is a jar of ghee. That is what I got. That is what I got. In this way you are going to make poem, and I want you to write down such type of poem in your book. Which book? Your English notebook, okay? And I told you in last period that I will make one poem and I will show you. I have made poem of 3 students. Okay? First child, then the second child adds something. Here again the third child adds something. And then the first child, if it is 1, 2, 3, 4 sentences, then second child it will become 5 sentences. Third child it will become 6 sentences. Now we count 1, 2, 3, 4. How many sentences are there? 4. Now these how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1 is there. 5. So these how many sentences are there? 5 sentences are there. Now the third child, how many sentences will be there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So how many sentences are there? 6 sentences are there. In this way, fourth child, how many sentences will become? 7 sentences. Then fifth child, how many sentences will become? 8 sentences. In this way, students will go on adding the sentences of first child, and they keep on adding their own sentences. In this way, you have to make a string song. What you have to do? You have to make a string song. Are you getting or not what I am saying? And that was homework which was told to you to do yesterday, but you have not done homework. I don't know what is wrong. You have not understood, I think. But so many students have not done homework. They have not made their own song. Now at least see this song which I have made today. This is not there in your book. This we have made by our own. Correct? We have made by own. We have added our own sentences in that, and then we have made this song. In this way, you have to make a song, and you have to prepare. You can take help of your parents. You can ask sentences to your parents. They will help you and prepare such type of string song in your notebook. You have to write down string song in your notebook. Now this is all about the poem or string song. The next topic which we are going to study is lesson. There is the information of a person who was visiting all parts of the world, who visited many countries. Okay, who visited many countries. He knows names of many kings and queens. He knows many brave kings. Correct? He knows all types of people. In which country is rich, which country is poor. Okay, which king is strong, which king is weak. That all is given in the next lesson. So the name of our lesson is the story of Sindbad the Sailor. The story story of Sindbad, a sailor. What is meaning of sailor? Do you know meaning of sailor? A person who travels by water. Person, जो माणूस कशाने फिरतो, who travels by water, that person is known as sailor. What that person is known as? Sailor, who travels by water, and he sails by ship from one place to another. Correct? When he want to visit another places or when he want to visit another countries, he does not make use of, or he doesn't make use of roads, he doesn't make use of airways, he doesn't make use of any other way, but he make use of waterway. कळतंय? पाण्यावरून ट्रॅव्हल करणारा सेलर. आधी अंडरस्टँडिंग करा. And the name of a person is Sindbad. What is his name? Sindbad. Okay. Now here it is told. Now introduction of the lesson is given in your book. I will tell you what is there in that story. The story of Sindbad and his 7 fantastic voyages. Fantastic voyages means what? Now one word is given in that book. Fantastic voyages. The meaning of this word is what? Unbelievable. Unbelievable but true. Unbelievable but true. Long. True. Correct. Oh, no problem. 1 minute. I will give you. Fantastic, unbelievable but true, and long journey by sea. Journey by sea. So meaning of 2 words is given. What is given? Meanings of 2 words is given. Fantastic voyages. Fantastic म्हणजे काय? Which is unbelievable. ज्याची आपण कल्पनाही करू शकत नाही. We cannot imagine. Okay, that is called fantastic. We say, oh, your dress is fantastic. Fantastic means what? आपण अपेक्षाही करत नाही. आपल्याला माहित पण नसतं की इतका सुंदर ड्रेस असू शकतो. So that is called unbelievable. Which is unbelievable but true. Correct or not? We know. If I will tell you there is an Eiffel Tower at Paris, correct? If I tell you example, students, do you know there is an Eiffel Tower in Paris? Students, do you know there is a Great Wall of China in China, biggest wall. Okay, and then that biggest wall helps you in helps you to bring visitors over there, and many people go over there, visit and see Eiffel Tower. They see Great Wall of China, and they are one of the wonders. Correct or not? There are 7 wonders. Correct or not? 8 1 is added in that. There are 7 wonders of the world. In 7 wonders of the world, you will go and visit or not Eiffel Tower? Yes. Eiffel Tower means what? Where you will go and visit? You will go and visit Paris. When you will go and visit, now the Paris is in which country? Paris is in France country. So what you will do? You will go and visit France. In France, the capital of France is Paris. You will go over there and you will go at that particular place, and you will go and see that Eiffel Tower. Because it is one of the wonder. Wonder means what? Ashcharya. Unbelievable thing, but it is true. If you want to see Great Wall of China, you will have to go and visit. You will have to go and visit China and to see Great Wall of China. Understood or not? Like that, great wonders are there. If you want to go to Egypt to see pyramids, pyramids are made in Egypt. Pyramid of Giza. It is also one wonder. So in this way, when you will go and visit unbelievable but true places by sea, by which way? By waterway. There are 4 transport ways. Waterways, roadways, railways, and which one is left? Roadways, waterways, airways. Airways means by aeroplane, and railways. Correct? Land. Land means what? Roadways. Correct? railway, by train, correct? Airways, by aeroplane, and waterways, by ship. Ship म्हणजे काय? जहाज, correct? So you will do journey. You will able to do journey by sea. Now there is Arabian Sea, there is Mediterranean Sea, there are oceans, correct or not? Our country, our world is divided into 7 continents. Which are those 7 continents? Asia, for example, now I will just draw, in short I will draw picture of all continents. Asia, correct? Then Africa, here it is Europe. Europe is there. Near this side, if you go to more frontier, here it is North America. After that is South America. Correct? How many are over? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Then Antarctica. Australia is this side. Australia. And last one side is Antarctica. Antarctica. So these are all land. 7 continents are there on earth. Correct? Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia. And these 7 continents are land. These 7 continents का है? These 7 continents का है land है. आणि ये बाकी समझना है. Everything, what is there? Water is there. What is there? In remaining places where water is there. And the people were going, or they were traveling by waterways. They used to travel by waterways. If they want to go from North America to Europe, they used to travel by waterways. Correct or not? Now if they want to travel from Europe to Asia, they used to travel by waterways in olden days. And Sindbad is one of them. Sindbad is the name of a person. He used to travel by waterways. He used to travel by ship. And then his 7 stories are very much interesting, fantastic stories are there, unbelievable but true stories are there. And those true stories are about the journey by sea. Here it is told that the story of Sindbad and his 7 fantastic voyages. 7 fantastic voyages means what? 7 fantastic journeys. Journeys means 7 fantastic visits to other places. Appears in a huge collection of stories. Story books astat na. You have story books at home? Yes. You might be having, even at my house also there are story books. In story books, Sindbad's 7 stories are seen, or 7 stories of Sindbad are added in the story books. Now some names of story books are given over here in which Sindbad stories are there. The Book of 1001 Nights. It is the name of a book. एका पुस्तकाचं नाव आहे. आणि त्या पुस्तकामध्ये कोणाची स्टोरी आहे? सिंदबादची स्टोरी आहे. तर त्याच्यामध्ये दिले, व्हॉट इज द नेम ऑफ द बुक? द बुक ऑफ 1001 Nights or the Arabian Nights. Now he went to Arabia, I think. Okay, you can understand. The Arabian Nights means what? He went to Arabia, and at that time, how many nights did he spend? 1001 nights. And that story is very much famous, and we are going to study, or we are going to see like that only one story of Sindbad. Sindbad kunaचं नाव आहे? Sindbad is the name of a person, and in this chapter or in this lesson we are going to study story of Sindbad. Here it is told. The story tells us that Sindbad was a famous sailor who lived in Baghdad. He was honest, he was generous and brave. He had many adventures on each of his voyages. Whenever he visited any place, he got to know many new things. Okay? He never lost heart and hope in dangerous situations. He overcame great dangers and returned home safely from each of his voyages. Here is the story of his first voyage. Now, in this lesson we are going to study his first journey. Sindbad पहिल्या वेळेस शिपमध्ये बसून कुठेतरी फिरायला जातो. जर्नी बाय सी. Okay, by waterways he is going to visit some another place. And then what happened? तो ज्यावेळेस जाणार होता फिरायला तर त्यावेळेस काय झालं? Okay, and that we are going to study in this lesson. Are you understanding or not? And many adventurous things happened. This what many new things has happened in his 7 voyages. 7 stories are told. His 7 stories are very much famous. And from that 7 stories we are going to study one story, and that story is of his first journey. First time when he went somewhere out by waterways. That journey we are going to study in this lesson. I think you have understood the introduction of the lesson, and remaining part or the story or explanation of the story I will take in tomorrow's period. Okay, please complete your string poem. Okay, a string song. I want you to complete string song. Are you understanding? And this lesson, short story, I will not read. First I will tell you story. I will make that story interesting, and then I will read story for you in third period. Understood? For today this much is enough. I think it is more than enough. Okay then, thank you.